come to you with an opportunity that you're not going to believe. I want to bring to you what I call, what I understand it to be, and what was introduced to me as the great discovery. I want to bring the great discovery to you because in my world of social media, the great discovery is the next thing that we're looking for. And with everything that's going on in social media right now, guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to catapult your mind and introduce you to a platform that's going to be able to recreate the entire movement that you've been creating on all the social media platforms. I want to show you a way of how you're going to make money, how your commenters are going to make money, how your moderators are going to make money, how your haters are going to make money just by joining the great discovery. If you're trying to take your products, your merchandise, your ebooks, your training courses, your classes, your videos, your shorts, and you want to take those to the next level, what I'm telling you that you're going to need to do, you're going to need to go into the mode of the great discovery and understand what this platform can do for you. Has there been any other platform that can change and provide to you 41 different languages on your short, 41 different languages on your video, 41 different languages on your courses, 41 different languages, and be seen in over 200 countries? But I got something even better for you. The languages, that's about to go up. It's not going to be 41 different languages by the time you see this. Within a matter of days, it's going to go up to about 90 different languages. Tell me where you're going to be able to find that at. Tell me where are you going to be able to go right now where you can bring your whole TikTok channel and still have TikTok. You can bring your YouTube channel and still have YouTube. You can bring your Facebook channel and still have Facebook over to a platform that's going to teach you how to recreate how you want your network to look. You're going to be able to form your own community. You're going to be able to make sure that you're not the only one that's making money. Your entire community is going to make money. And guess what the exciting part about it is? Even if they don't like you, they can still make money. I want you to join me for this ride. I want you to come along with me. I want you to understand that I have a platform that's going to catapult you, not just into the let's make money deal. It's going to catapult you into the new world of AI. Welcome to the club. Let's go on this journey together. Again, my name is Queen. I'm going to leave the link in the description. I want you to leave me a comment. I want you to come along with the journey. I want you to reach out to me. I want to do at least a 15-minute consultation with you. You don't have to be a content creator to make money. You can even be a learner. Let's go. My name is Queen. I'm going to be waiting to hear from you. Discovery. I'm going to go through just a couple of the tabs just to get you just a little bit acclimated to what you're in for. The name of the company is The Great Discovery. If you look over here at The Great Discovery, it's the greatest discovery of all times. Not just because it's a great discovery, but there's 41 different languages and counting. And you'll be seen in over 200 countries. You can make money. Your platform is going to make money. You can add your courses, and you'll be able to treat this platform as if it's your next home. One of the courses that we have, actually not a course, but you can treat it like one, that's for learners. Inside the learners, you're going to be able to come on to the platform of The Great Discovery, and you can just merely learn. While learning, you will be able to even refer courses out. Imagine learning, referring our courses, and making money in the midst of it. Come on aboard, even if you have to be a learner. We'll get more acclimated into learning what the learner is going to do for you, provide to you, and how it will be able to even help you decide should you upgrade. Come, let's have a consultation. We'll be able to talk about that. But I need you to join. The next one is our affiliate. The next one is the affiliate. The affiliate is an entire different board. As you can see, I have my information here. You can join as an affiliate. I'm just showing you the back office because I want you to get a little bit more excited by just joining. Being an affiliate, you can come aboard as an affiliate in two different ways. You can either come as a paid affiliate or you can come absolutely free. And guess what? Even being absolutely free, you come in and you still get free stuff. You're going to be able to get a free website, the replica of your original website. You're going to be able to upload between 5 to 6 free courses online. That's what Tim said. You're going to have access. You're going to be able to, if you sell a course, immediately you're going to be able to get paid. And let's not forget, you get paid every single Monday. Come in. Let me tell you about the affiliates part of it. The next part is our creator. Wow, wow, wow. What is a creator? I'm the content, so who would be the creator? We have a platform big enough for you to bring TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter. We have a platform big enough for you to bring everybody over, including your merchandise. All you have to do is drop the link in the description. Takes you back to your merchandise. You're on a platform where you're going to be able to not just quadruple your money, you're going to be able to exceed your wealth. But guess what? You're also going to be helping your community. It's not going to be like the other social media pages where the only one getting paid is you as the content creator. Now you're opening up a door that no one else is doing. You have 41 different languages and counting. And not only do you have those 41 different languages and counting, do you hear that noise? You have 200 different countries to be seen in. Come aboard with me. That noise is telling me it's time for me to go.